your boy Car Beats back with another POV. As you can see, glide. Gotta come in with that energy, you know what I mean? But no, we're good, car crew, you feel me? Future car crew and people that's already car crew. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button before we even get established with anything, you know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see, man, another POV today on this lovely cloudy day we got today, you know what I'm saying? And as you can tell by the title, we're finna be popping flame through traffic, you know what I'm saying? Sun's slight, not too crazy. We're gonna get a little, hold on. Come on, man. Y'all ain't heard this. Man, what are you doing? Bro, what do y'all got going on, cuz? Go. They trying to let you go. You keep stopping. Like, bro, y'all, man, bro. Bro, no matter what city you in, nigga trying to go to McDonald's. Man, homegirl, ain't even 10:30. But yeah, man. No matter what city you in, how big or small, you always got folk that drive like they in the A. I don't think they got nothing to do with the A. It'd be folk, I don't know. Folk be tripping. Anyway, man, what's going on, car crew, bro? We finna be riding through the city, popping flame, antagonizing the streets. You know what I'm saying? I ain't drove with my flame tune in a very, very, very long time. Even off camera, like whatever it be on, that what it be on, you know what I'm saying? I be trying to be courteous of people with their window down, but I really don't care. What you got your window down for? That nigga had their window down. Nigga don't even be flinching, cuz. That'll make it so funny. A lot of niggas don't be flinching. That was a loud one, though. I ain't gonna lie, my flame tool still be acting weird, but like, you don't pop like how loud it's supposed to. And I just got the MDS delete file added to it, because I needed that, bro. I had my car tripping. Should've got it the first time. Ooh. Little something, man. Something slight. They do make your car back fun again, though. Bro. All y'all niggas in my way. And they keep going back to drive. I'm finna put that mug in that mode. Hold on. Oh, damn. Damn. Had to roll my back window down a little bit so y'all can hear that more, man. Woo. I know y'all miss hearing that. Folks forgot my car even do that. I ain't did this in so long. I'll try to see if y'all can see that lady walking in the store. Ooh. I miss that sound though, I ain't gonna lie. But that joint used to be way louder, bro. I say, bro, y'all remember, y'all need to go back and watch my video when I first got this tune, bro. Talking about that bitch used to be kapow, shizow. Bitch sound like Dragon Ball Z outside. Damn! I seen a lime green Mustang 5.0. Better that way. I should have slowed down and wait on it. Too much traffic though. Nigga don't want no smoke, man. That stain don't want no smoke. Probably a stick shift anyway. Why I scared of him? kid, cuz. Oh, shit. It's funny because they get scared because they don't know what it is, but then when they see it's a car, they start cheesing. That nigga, I don't even know if y'all can see that, bro. That nigga, damn, wish I had my 360 camera on. I ain't no nigga gonna be standing on the side of the street, bro. Hey, that's funny. That's funny, cuz I ain't gonna even hold you. That was funny, I ain't gonna care. Dang, boy. Dang, cuz. You must be on a GTA mission. That bitch pulled out that bitch so fast. I think one of them kids, ain't gonna lie, that bitch ran into the whatever adult there with no arm. Like she had to pick him up. I should have turned around and ride back by. Damn. Damn. That joint hit crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Sticker. Damn. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that nigga. That nigga had to stop and hit tracks to see what was going on. I said, boy, I'm on that side of town, but we know what's going on. What do you that cat? What do you that nigga? Yeah. They tune entertaining though. I ain't used this mug in a minute, bro. So this like all over again for me, bro. I ain't used this mug in like a minute. Like, I know a month, bro. Over that probably. But sometimes I want to just drive my car and downshift or haul butt without like it doing that. You know what I'm saying? You can't get away. Hold on. Oh, that wasn't even loud. You can't get away when that mother doing all that. Nigga be trying to maneuver and, oh yeah, bow. Damn! Oh, that mailman nigga had his hand out the window. What the hell you on his hand out for? Damn. I like when they crackle like that. That crack. Man. Got two tunes for one, nigga. That ain't that mud drink hella gas. And one thing I don't miss about it. But that would come with it, you know what I mean? Man, but you got USPS and UPS, you know what I mean? Who y'all like better? Y'all better let me know. Y'all like USPS or UPS, you know what I'm saying? Who really be doing their job, you know what I mean? Who really be dropping on orders, you feel me? I mean, you gotta get a UPS, you know what I'm saying? That nigga bring you anything, tires, rims, a car, ugly. Cool, they'll cut that grass. Damn! See, that's how I like it. That's how they supposed to be. Oh, man. Supposed to be cannonballs out there, bitch. That nigga here, bro. Look at this nigga, man. Just walking across the street in the middle of it look like, come on, cuz. Light turn green and everything. You just, that's why they tell you don't jaywalk, nigga. Crazy. Niggas just be doing what they want to do. I can sit here and just listen to this and not even talk. Look at that lady. She's like, what the fuck is that? What the freak is that? They gotta be black people somewhere. Olivia sounds so good, though, man. Damn! When they do that, I be expecting to be loud and they don't. Like that. Damn, that man! That be wild out. Felt that be in my foot. My check engine light just came on. That bit knocked my check engine light on, I mean, I'm pretty sure I knew that one come back on. That's from with my cats, bro. I don't know how I get that tune, and these niggas give me the tune for that specific reason. You know what I'm saying? For cats. And they still be talking about your cat this and the cat that. Nigga, give me a Hellcat. Hell, all these cats, nigga. Talking about all these cats, nigga. Give me a Hellcat, nigga. He talking about. Yeah, that's all that was. Yeah, man. Trying to give y'all boys a little 1-2. Man, big boy speed bump. Man, I should have parked over there. But this parking lot trash. This parking lot garbage, but it's a hole everywhere you go. Hole everywhere you go, man. See if I can whip them up right quick. What it? You know what I'm saying? Get right. You feel me? Whip them up around. Boy getting on shoe today. Y'all know the Ferrari drop. That boy know the Ferrari drop today, good. A Ferrari 14. And everybody coming out the mall. Yes, sir, got my shoe again. Yeah. Got my shoe again. Yeah, boy, a basic fit. Probably gonna wear all black or all red. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. I gotta run in here real quick, man. Do a little 1-2 right quick, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Terrorizing the streets, you feel me, with the pop with the pops and flames, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, but like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, car and crew, you know what I'm saying? And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Y'all boys stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets, you know what I'm saying? As much as you can, man. Keep it first in everything that you do, you feel me? I know it ain't easy, I know we ain't perfect, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta at least try, put that first step forward, you know what I'm saying? And trust in them, you know what I'm saying? To make your situation better, make your life better, make your personality as a person better. Love them, you know what I'm saying? Have that real unconditional love for God, man, you know what I'm saying? For all my religious folk. If you ain't religious, I ain't talking to you. I know folks be, and they feeling like, oh, I ain't religious. What you telling me that for? I ain't talking to you then, bro. If you ain't religious, you know what I am. I ain't even say religious, but you know what I'm saying? If you know Jesus or you don't, you know what I mean? It's one of those. I know folks be taking religion and all that, everything. They take that in a different, however they want to take it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.